Your ticket to travel. What is a passport? A passport is like your international ID card. It's a little booklet issued by your home country. It proves who you are and that you're a citizen of that country. You need a passport to travel to other countries. Think of it as your ticket to explore the world. Your passport has important information. This includes your name, photo, birth date, and passport number. Don't forget, it's crucial to keep your passport safe. It's your key to international travel. Permission to enter. Understanding the visa. A visa is an essential document for international travel, and it serves as a key to unlock the door to another country. Now imagine you're at the door of a really cool party. The music is pumping, the lights are flashing, and everyone inside is having a great time. You need more than just an invitation to get in, right? You might have the invite, but there's usually a bouncer or a host at the door. You need permission from the host. They check your invitation, maybe ask a few questions, and then decide if you can join the party. A visa is kind of like that permission. It's an official endorsement that allows you to enter a foreign country. It's a stamp or document that a country puts in your passport. This stamp or document signifies that you have met certain requirements and are allowed to enter. It gives you the okay to enter and stay there for a specific amount of time. The duration of your stay can vary depending on the type of visa you have. Not all countries require visas for all visitors. Some countries have agreements that allow their citizens to travel freely between them without a visa. It depends on your nationality and where you're going. For example, citizens of certain countries can travel to the European Union without a visa for short stays. Visas can be a little tricky, but don't worry, we'll break it down for you. There are different types of visas, such as tourist visas, business visas, student visas, and work visas. Each type has its own set of requirements and conditions. Tourist visas are for those who want to explore a new country, see the sights, and experience the culture. Business visas are for those who need to attend meetings, conferences, or conduct business activities. Student visas are for individuals who plan to study in a foreign country, while work visas are for those who have secured employment abroad. The process of obtaining a visa usually involves filling out an application form, providing necessary documents, and sometimes attending an interview at the embassy or consulate of the country you wish to visit. The requirements and processing times can vary greatly depending on the country and the type of visa you are applying for. It's important to check the specific requirements for your destination well in advance of your travel date. Once you have your visa, you're all set to embark on your journey. Remember, a visa is your ticket to explore new places, meet new people, and create unforgettable memories. So, make sure you understand the visa requirements and plan accordingly for a smooth travel experience. Happy travels, and enjoy your adventure. Applying for a visa, a step-by-step guide. Ready to apply for a visa? Here's the general process. First, figure out if you need a visa. Not all countries require a visa for entry, and the requirements can vary greatly depending on your nationality and the purpose of your visit. For instance, some countries offer visa-free entry for tourists, but require a visa for work or study. Check the embassy website of the country you want to visit. This is the most reliable source of information for visa requirements, application forms, and any updates or changes in the process. Make sure to read through all the details carefully to avoid any mistakes. Next, gather the required documents. This step is crucial because missing or incorrect documents can delay your application or even result in a denial. Commonly required documents include your passport, which should be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay, a completed visa application form, passport-sized photos, proof of travel plans such as flight and hotel bookings, and financial statements to show you can support yourself during your stay. Then, submit your application. Depending on the country, you might be able to do this online, by mail, or in person at the country's embassy or consulate in your home country. Some countries also have visa application centers that handle the process. You can usually do this online or at the country's embassy or consulate in your home country. Online applications are often more convenient and faster, but make sure to follow the instructions carefully and double-check all the information you provide. After that, pay the visa fee. The fees vary depending on the country and type of visa. Some countries offer expedited processing for an additional fee, which can be useful if you're in a hurry. The fees vary depending on the country and type of visa. Make sure to keep the receipt as proof of payment, as you might need to show it during the application process. Sometimes you might need to attend an interview. This is more common for long-term visas such as work or study visas, but some countries also require interviews for tourist visas. Some countries require an interview as part of the visa application process. During the interview, you'll be asked about your travel plans, the purpose of your visit, and your background. Be honest and provide clear, concise answers. Finally, wait for a decision. Visa processing times vary, so apply well in advance of your trip. Some countries offer tracking services so you can check the status of your application online. Once your visa is approved, make sure to review it carefully to ensure all the information is correct. Visa processing times vary, so apply well in advance of your trip. It's always a good idea to apply as early as possible to avoid any last-minute issues. Safe travels. Visa challenges, countries with tougher requirements. Some countries are known for having stricter visa requirements. These might include Russia, known for its lengthy and detailed visa application process. China, which often requires travelers to provide extensive documentation and may have limited visa validity periods. India, where the visa process can be quite bureaucratic, and online applications are not always straightforward. Remember, these are just a few examples, and visa requirements can change. It's always best to check the latest guidelines on the official embassy websites. Section 5. Smoother travels. Countries with easier visa processes. Traveling can be a hassle, especially when it comes to obtaining visas. However, some countries have made it significantly easier for tourists by simplifying their visa processes or even allowing visa-free entry. This can make your travel experience much more enjoyable and stress-free. On the flip side, some countries welcome visitors with more relaxed visa policies. These countries understand the importance of tourism and have taken steps to ensure that visitors can enter with minimal fuss. This not only boosts their tourism industry but also makes them more attractive destinations for travelers looking for a hassle-free experience. For example, Thailand. Many nationalities can enter Thailand without a visa for tourism purposes for a limited time. This means you can explore the vibrant streets of Bangkok, visit the stunning temples, and enjoy the beautiful beaches without worrying about visa paperwork. Thailand's visa exemption policy is a major draw for tourists from around the world. Singapore offers visa-free entry for citizens of many countries, making it a popular layover destination. Whether you're planning a short stay or just passing through, Singapore's efficient visa policies make it easy to explore the city's modern skyline, indulge in its diverse culinary scene, and experience its rich cultural heritage. Changi Airport, one of the world's best, also adds to the convenience. Mexico allows citizens of numerous countries to enter without a visa for tourism or business for a specific period. This means you can enjoy the sun-soaked beaches, explore ancient ruins, and immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture without the hassle of obtaining a visa. Mexico's welcoming visa policies make it a favorite destination for travelers from around the globe. Again, it's important to note that visa rules can change, so always double-check before you travel. Staying informed about the latest visa requirements can save you from unexpected surprises and ensure a smooth journey. Always consult official sources or contact the embassy of your destination country for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Happy travels. Section 6. Freedom to roam, visa-free travel destinations. Want to travel the globe without the hassle of visa applications? Some passports offer greater travel freedom. Citizens of countries like Japan, Singapore, and many European Union nations enjoy visa-free access to a large number of countries. This freedom of movement makes it easier for citizens of these countries to travel for business, tourism, or even just on a whim. Section 7. Visa application tips. Navigating the process. Applying for a visa can feel daunting, but these tips can make it smoother. Start early. Don't wait until the last minute. Visa processing times vary, and you don't want to delay your trip. Be organized. Keep all your documents together and make copies of everything. Double-check everything. Make sure all the information on your application is accurate and complete. Be patient. Visa processing takes time, and rushing the process can lead to mistakes. Section 8. The future of travel documents. In a world of increasing digitization, what does the future hold for passports and visas? We're seeing a rise in electronic visas or e-visas, and even the possibility of biometric passports with facial recognition technology. These advancements aim to streamline border control, enhance security, and make travel more convenient for everyone. Section 9. Conclusion: your passport to global adventures. Your passport is your gateway to a world of experiences. It's a reminder that we live on a planet filled with diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and incredible people. While visas can sometimes feel like a hurdle, they're just a small part of the journey. So, pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to explore our amazing world.